I have a question for you guys. I want to get some thoughts on something. Ryan from our group texted me something yesterday from Accenture laying off 10,000 freaking people due to AI taking their jobs, and was like, wow, isn't it great that we work in sales and we're not a victim to all these AI layoffs? And I agree with that. And I'm curious to get your opinion on why sales is so AI proof. I have some thoughts. And then also, more importantly, what can we do as sales professionals to keep that protection against AI laying us off? And I'm gonna throw a little third little teaser in there. I don't think we're doing a very good job. I think what makes us great as sales, as business development, as people, the same thing that makes us great is the same thing that protects our jobs when AI comes and lays everybody off. But I think we're just like, please, AI, replace me. As salespeople, I think we're screwing ourselves up a little bit, but I'm curious to get your thoughts. Anybody have any thoughts on the whole AI replacing people's jobs and why sales is protected from that?
We're in the financial industry. We're an asset manager. I do our business development with two other fellas. So one, AI helps our back office process, pulling together what I'll say campaigns, outbound campaigns. But if there's one thing I've learned, and I learned it again today, and it bedazzles people, you pick up your phone and you call people and you talk to them, and it sets us apart so much that they really can almost not even believe that we're doing this. 100%. And the more I work with the Easton, and I'm not trying to pitch Matt Easton, the better it is, because the inbound calls come in and I have a process and I have a way to, what can I get you information on?
Yep.
All that, AI cannot do that. So
no.
That's my personal opinion, that the further it goes, the more in demand you're going to be if you're not afraid to talk on the phone.
100%, Bill, and that's exactly where I was going with this. And I get so frustrated is I love sales. I've always loved sales. I feel like, and again, a lot of us, we wouldn't admit that we're in sales, right? Like, look at how powerful Bill is, and he's in charge. He could make any title for himself, right? But at the end of the day, we're all in sales. But to Bill's point, right, it is so doggone frustrating for me, because all of this time when people knocked us for being salespeople, now is the time where we're, like to Bill's point, we're setting ourselves apart. Like, it's basic, fundamental stuff, picking up the phone, being skillful when you talk to somebody. And yes, AI is wiping out all these back office people, but then you have recruiters out there that are on Easton University that are going out there and bam, 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 they're getting accounts that are hiring people in a market when supposedly nobody's hiring anybody and the market is shrinking. They're able to reach out, say, hey, wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed, or there's something going on that every HR director's having to deal with, wanted to make sure you were aware of it. When we can lean into our human connections, guys, when we can pick up this doggone thing, right, and just make some dials, you will find that not only your job security will be 100%, but your income will steadily climb. Even when the economy is steadily going down, your income will steadily go up, because people are yearning for another person to talk to. That last little piece that I want to throw in there, and then we'll open it up to questions, is this, guys. Be real freaking careful about the shiny objects. Be really careful about the apps and the this, and I got this new tool that will help you do this, and you can outreach 52,000 people on LinkedIn, because you are replacing yourself with AI at that point. I'm not saying don't use tools. I'm not saying you can't be more skillful, but at the end of the day, if you don't know how to have a basic conversation where you get somebody's attention, okay? If you don't know how to get somebody's attention, all right? If you don't know how to deliver an insight to that person, if you don't know how to unpack the situation and figure out what their current situation is and where they want to go, If you're not able to monetize them choosing you or helping you or partnering with you to get from A to B, if you don't know how to monetize that and you don't know how to skillfully close or set a next step, you have no business blasting out emails. You have no business using AI tools, right? Focus, as Bill so eloquently put, focus on your ability to professionally communicate. Professionally communicate. Okay, I know there's a lot of AI tools out there sending out a lot of DMs on the LinkedIn, right? You still eating at the Pickle Barrel, Matt? It was right down the street from where you went to college, right? I get that email from a supposed person that wasn't even born when I was getting, by the way, I wasn't getting sandwiches at the Pickle Barrel when I was in college, okay? But it's just all of this clever, like, I'm gonna figure out a way to be clever and I'm gonna use AI to go sweep your LinkedIn and figure out where you went to school and come up with all of this clever stuff. It's nonsense, right? Learn how to be a professional and learn how to skillfully communicate as one. I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm not gonna preach at you anymore, but I'm glad that we are not in the 10,000 people that were laid off because of AI yesterday. And I think if we keep communicating, we never will be.
What can you do to prove to people that Easton University can help them double their income in 90 days?
I'll prove it right now. Closing masterclass. I'll buy it for you. $300. Link in my bio. I will show you how to close. This will double your closing percentage. Not even 90 days. It will double it within 30 days. Now, here's the thing. Is your income going to double? Probably not, because you still need to prospect. You still need to put those deals in your pipeline. But if you click the link in my bio, you will learn how to close right here, right now, and you're going to close those deals that are already in your pipeline.